we can quickly import data from a PDF file within Excel. If we look at an example, I want to quickly import this table here, this Euronext Dublin Cash Market table, which details total turnover. This is saved down in my cash 2021 0204.pdf file. How I quickly import that into Excel is I select data, get data, from file, from PDF, and then I select where I have my file saved down. I then select my file where I want to get the data from, and this will generate a navigator view that looks like this, which details all the tables on the various page. The table I want pulled in is pulled from page 1, and it's this total turnover table. I then select load, and Excel will then generate a new tab with this information included in it. And you can see here that the total turnover, this table is the same as this table here, and quickly we have this total turnover data imported into Excel.